We'll do a second exercise for the heart. This one also works on the kidneys, on the pelvis. You can say for both. And then we'll do another meditation for the heart. So we're going to start this way. You're going to circle your, so come and you move your arms out this way, and at the same time you're doing a circle with your pelvis. You see this? Like you're putting your hands in your pocket, and then you come and you move this way. Hands come through and then they cross, and if you can think about it, you can cross alternate wrists. So this time my right wrist goes over, and then when I come back through, the left wrist comes on the top. And it's like you're swimming. It's working, as I said, with the water energy as well. If you bring the arms a little bit higher up, you can feel it into the heart center. So we inhale. As we make the circle, exhale as you slump back a little way. Spread the fingers wide. And then you can come out on the other side. Inhaling. Exhaling. So we always start going out to the left. And then experiment with the height of the arms. You can bring them right up to shoulder level if you want. And inhale in the center. And gently exhale. We're going to bring the tongue and put it on the roof of the mouth, tip of the tongue, at the same time open the mouth while still maintaining the tip of the tongue to the roof. And you just hold this. So the mouth as wide as keeping the tip of the tongue on the roof of the mouth will allow, and you can have your hands in Gyan Mudra. And you just breathe long and deep in this position, 3 minutes. Even you can try to curl the tongue back ever so slightly, so it's just back of the tip. Front of the tip, I should say, hitting the roof of the mouth. Don't tip the head back. inhale and hold the breath. Exhale. So that's a great meditation to do when the mind is unfocused or jumpy, very distracted, is to quell that tendency. So I don't always describe what's going to happen for you in the meditation before you do it. I think it's good just to trust and have the experience. So you will have felt that the root of the tongue is being stretched a little bit when you do that, but you should feel the mind become clearer even just in that 3 minutes. So you can imagine how it is if you do 20 minutes of this type of yoga, half an hour, longer periods of meditation. You can go for even 31 minutes with this particular meditation. Sat Nam, see you soon.